Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make a text portrait in Photoshop step by step. So let's begin. First, create any file or direct open your image. Open your image. Then use black and white or make black and white image. Find gradient map and choose the color. Okay, then press Ctrl L, adjustment, click OK. Hold Ctrl, right click on your mouse, convert to smart object. Then again go to filter tab, blur, Gaussian blur, use radius 10 or 8, then click OK. Go to file, save as PSD file, type map, and again hold Ctrl Alt Z for back. Create a new layer, type tool, choose the text color black and use type anything for line by line or use example text. Okay, then double click to this text, go to window tab, use character, then show this character panel and use line spacing, up and down arrow key, fix, adjust 0 and use text size, increase or decrease to this text size. Adjust your text size and click OK. Then go to filter tab, distort, displace, OK, is 10 or 20, map, OK. Then top the image layer, right click on your mouse, create a clipping mask. Again use solid color, black, brown. That's it. Hope this tutorial helped you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like